guys, it's me, and today I'm at Alesha's house. I don't know where Alesha is though. And I have the hiccups today. I might hiccup sometime. It makes me Okay, you actually scared me. Yeah, so this is Alesha, as you know. Go check out her channel, Jasmine LOL. You just tipped over a bucket. Okay. So I have the hiccups, and she's gonna try and cure them. So that didn't cure them. No, they didn't. She thinks hiccuping is funny.
Yes, they are funny, by the way.
So first of all, we're gonna try drinking water. Ugh, ugh, ugh. We have to try drinking water.
Okay, so
Pause
try
and
and
get
drink
water.
Hiccup.
So guys, we're waiting for Alesha. I don't know where she is.
I'm back.
Okay. So
We didn't have we couldn't find a glass for water, and like that was just like on the table, so I just grabbed it. Sometimes that makes it work. Strong, isn't it? We drink loads. And do you see my t-shirt, guys?
it's a unicorn. Like,
It's
unicorn
a
Betty's forever friend time.
It's unique, and it's a corn. Unicorn.
Yeah, but it's a unicorn. Like the
And
unicorn
guys,
Betty's forever friend.
if you checked out my channel on the Wonker Bar, and if you didn't see it, I did win the golden ticket, which is right here. Wonka's golden ticket.
I'm drunk.
Okay, so
the hiccups are getting worse.
I can't find anything else. Oh yeah, I know. Can you do a headstand?
Oh no, holding breath.
Yeah, hold the breath, and if you can't, just do like a headstand or something.
Where do I put this? It's not all gone.
Okay, I'll go and put it back.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try holding my breath when she gets back. Hiccup. Okay, those were hiccups, but I do have the hiccup. No! Hiccup. Okay, that was a fake hiccup, but I okay. That wasn't fake.
Okay,
Fake
so
hiccup
just
and
like
then a fake, and then I do real hiccup. Okay, I'm gonna hold my breath. For how long?
well, wait, I'll put the timer on. Do 5 minutes probably.
No!
Fine, 2 minutes.
No, 1 minute.
Fine. We're gonna put it on for 1 minute.
Wait, no, 30 seconds. I can't do long, I'm honest.
Timer. So 50 seconds. See what will work, and if it won't, we'll try a minute. Come on, 50.
I'm strong.
50. We passed 50. 50.
Okay, 50 seconds.
Start. That's like a total fail. Come on. Okay. So basically she can't do it, and that wasn't 50 seconds. That was 33 seconds. If you can see it there, guys.
No, it doesn't say it. Wait, I don't know.
33.
No, there's 33 seconds left. So I'm going to
So try and test
no,
me.
next I'm
Try
going
and
to
test
try
me.
and burp. No, next I'm going to try and burp.
Oh, guys, I'm testing.
Okay, just now. I'm out.
So guys, I'm gonna try and hold my breath. As
My
long as
hiccups has gone away.
I'm gonna try
My
and
hiccups have
beat.
gone away. My hiccups have gone away. No, they haven't.
So yeah, so I'm gonna put it on 50 seconds for me and see. I'm gonna put it on 50 seconds for me, guys. So then, let's see how long I can hold my breath. Let's see how long I can hold my breath. Okay, just put this to 0. Oh, jeez. Okay.
You smell a friend. I've come to meet with you.
She's so funny.
Ooh, a bit.
I did it! How long did you do it for? 50 seconds.
Ow!
My knee hurts.
Okay, guys, I think my hiccups have gone away now. I was laughing too much. I think the cure was just leave them.
No!
I think this video was no point because, like...
Yeah, because, she just spit. So, I'm going to try and do a headstand. So, I haven't done it for a while, but yeah. So, this is, really, really hard to do. So, yeah.
They know, you don't need to explain.
Gabs, go and watch out because I'm doing it this way. Hello. Sometimes she's dumb. Okay. Guys, stop. Gabs, stop.
Guys! There's no men out there.
Are any men watching except for her father? Okay, so I'm going to try and do a headstand. For my first entire life.
You go to gymnastics. You should know how to do a headstand.
Yeah.
Struggling human. Ooh.
Guys, I cannot do it. But I can
Wait until you see the video. You need to.
I can do this. But I need to move all the stuff.
They're called stuff, apparently.
Yeah, it's called stuff. Hi. Sorry guys, you can't see me. Stop.
I'll video you.
Ta-da!
The cartwheeler. Okay, guys, I think this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Please check out Jasmine and LOL's channel. We will be doing a load of videos on there too. We'll be
In
doing
the
more
summer
videos
because
and today too.
yeah.
Yeah,
because
like
sometimes we're gonna be bored. But we have to do silly homework.
stay home. I finished it.
I'm kidding. Okay, we were gonna do it together, but we done a little bit together.
We done 2 pages, 3 pages.
Two
and
pages.
Then, no, 3 because there was one with 2 sides, and then the other one didn't have any.
But
only one had sides.
we were so stuck. We do it on ourselves. And it was really hard.
She hasn't finished it.
No, I haven't. I only have the tests to do.
I finished it all.
Tell me the answers.
No.
I told you the answers on my homework. So yeah,
Okay, thanks for watching. Today we are going to be posting more videos, so watch out for her channel, Jasmine LOL. Oh, and by the way, she's changed it. When I said it was Venezia in the Sign Sing video, she changed it.
Well, basically, I didn't change it. My mom changed it. So don't blame me, guys.
Move over!
No, don't blame me.
Pushing you off the sofa.